Hello everyone, this is Mahima here to explain my second experiment in Unix and Linux Lab to make use of control structures while writing a shell script. So in this experiment, we are supposed to do 5 programs. The first one is to compute the arithmetic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So to open a code in shell script, we give the words vi space the file name .sh. So this is my file. Over here, this is a keyword which is for entering some kind of statement, or else when you would like to display a user-friendly statement. So over here I have given the choice, and my choices are these. In order to take the input from the user, we have a keyword called read. So over here I have prompted the user to enter two numbers, and I have taken those two numbers within two variables a and b. Over here I have made use of switch case. The syntax is keyword case followed by the variable you would like to pass, and since I want the value of the variable, I am supposed to precede the variable name with a dollar symbol. After that, in is again a keyword. So over here, in order to give the various choices, I give the choice as to how you would like to give. If you would like to prefer giving alphabets, then you are welcome to do so by giving them over here. So here I have computed my sum. This is given in order to show that it is an expression that is to be computed, and BC stands for basic calculator, which computes an expression. So this is how a switch case is ended. Now when I compile this, it first of all asks me for my choice. I'll enter it as 1, and to enter the numbers I give like this. So we can see that my sum has been computed. Now for the second program, we are supposed to find if a given number is odd or even. So this is my program. Over here I have made use of if condition. In shell script, this is how we give the if condition. If keyword followed by the condition within two round braces. There is another syntax in order to do so, which I'll be explaining a little further. Once you're done giving the condition, you give the keyword then, and then whatever user-friendly statement you would like to display, else again user-friendly statement, and then in order to show that the if and or the if clause has come to an end, you give this keyword. So let us compile this. So let me enter the number as 3. Now I'd like to check for even numbers, so I give as 4, and yes, I get my output. Now for the next one, we are supposed to check if the given number is positive or negative. So over here I have given my if clause as if the number is greater than 0, it is positive, else it is negative. Let us compute the code. So first I'm entering 2, I get it as positive. Now again, let me enter -1, I get it as negative. Now for the next one, I'm supposed to find out the greatest number among 3 numbers entered. So this is my code. Over here, as you can see, there is a different format for the if clause. In order to give that, we are supposed to provide spacing between each and every token, and -gt is for telling that greater than. So here I have compared the first number with the rest two numbers. So over here I have checked if it is greater or not, and -a stands for and, which means I am checking two conditions parallelly. So in the same way, when my first condition is satisfied, the first number is greatest, else I check for the second and third number. In the same way, I do it if the third number is the only one existing, then that will be the greatest. Let us compute the code. So I'm entering 4, 55 and 10. So I get that 55 is the greatest. Now, my next question is to find out if an input character is a vowel or a consonant. So this is my code. Over here again I have made use of switch case. Here I have checked for all the vowels, and I have given in the same way a user-friendly statement that the entered character is a vowel, else whatever other letter you would have entered, it is a consonant. And in switch case, in order to give a default case, you make use of asterisk symbol and preceding or succeeding with the line of code that you would like to display for it. So let's compile the code. First of all, it's prompting me to enter the code or the character. So I'm entering I. It shows that it's a vowel. Now let me try again. This time I enter Y. It shows that it's a consonant. So that's all for my experiment. Thank you for watching.